Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily edit a video and sync sound for Instagram Reels using AI. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and swipe to the right to access the camera. From there, select Reel at the bottom. Next, tap the gallery icon to open your media library. To add multiple images, tap the icon that allows you to select several files at once. For this example, I'll pick a few pictures of adorable cats. These should be perfect. Once you have selected your images, tap Next to proceed. Now it's time to add the background sound. Tap the search icon to explore Instagram's sound library. Take your time to find anything you like, because Instagram's AI will automatically sync the sound to your reel for you. It's that easy. If you want to customize your reel further, tap the Edit Video button. Here you can adjust the duration of each image or clip and even add transitions to make your reel look more dynamic. Feel free to explore these editing features until you are satisfied with the final result. Once everything looks great, tap Done and you're ready to post your reel as you normally would. And that's all there is to it. Editing and syncing sound to your Instagram Reels has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.